I'm so hungry. Hello, sir. Do you have restaurants inside? You have a restaurant inside? Thank you, thank you. Oh, and here too. Inside here. Seventh floor. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Ooh, air conditioning. Ay, thank you so much. Air conditioning. Ay. Okay, I probably should keep quiet and no more air conditioning. Okay, I'm going to turn off my camera, okay? That all the grannies are looking at me kind of strange. Okay, she says I must go this way. How must I go this way? I love grocery stores. Okay, I need to go this way. Okay, so I figured out the grocery store. So I'm in a mall. I'm going to enjoy myself in a mall and get some food in a new mall. I'm kind of liking this mall thing at the moment. Oh, so many things. They always have a sale. These are the malls, and then you can buy them clothes. Ooh, very nice swimsuit. Hello, Mama. How are you? Fine, thank you, Mama. These are the malls. To go out. You know what? You know how I get away with things in the world? I just respect the elderly people. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Because you know what I've noticed? Is that everybody wants to be respected. Honestly, everybody wants to be respected. And if you can respect people, they're more willing to help you. I don't know nothing most of the time. I just go, oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. It's the best thing you can do. Ooh, lots of things. Yeah, I just say to people, oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. If you say this, they're more willing to help you and they'll send you in the right direction. If you just come with attitude, they don't want to help you. So look, malls. It's got so many floors. Well, I think all malls are like this. They have a lot of floors. You can buy briefs, you can buy everything. And then it's designed on purpose so that you can go through all the floors and buy. Yeah. I'm going to the food court. Going to see if there's something good there. I have a 1 o'clock appointment and I've only got 45 minutes to eat and catch a cab. So you gotta understand time management when you are traveling, because there's nothing worse than arriving at a meeting late. Hey, where's 7th floor? I don't know. How do you get to 7th floor, Mama? 7th floor, where food court? Yes. I must take an elevator?
Cannot.
Cannot take the elevator.
Maybe you. Yeah.
Yeah, I think take 7th floor.
Can.
Hi, thank you so much, Sisi. Thank you so much, Auntie.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, they have a buffet. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh my God. This food court looks pretty sad. I'm going to see if there's anything I can have, but it doesn't look real good. Let's try it. Maybe some rice or something like this. There's a buffet. I don't like buffets. This is old food. Okay, let's try. Maybe a sandwich. Let's see. Food court is not. Food court is not exactly what I had anticipated. This is actually really a shopping mall. So what I'm doing is I'm waiting for some juice. There's a lady that makes juice there, so she's going to give me some juice. And then I'm going to have to go downstairs to the grocery and just buy some bananas and just power through with bananas. I have a flight at 4. So at least the airport, it's not so much. So I have a 2 hour meeting and then a flight at 4. So yeah, I'm cutting it very short. I'm actually going to leave after an hour and a half and just tell them I'm sorry, I have to go to the airport. I'm done with my work, so I'm going to leave, go to the airport. No, get something, grab something at the airport. See, I'm telling you, you can never be sure. You're like, okay, I need to go there and get something to eat fast and go to my appointment. When you get to where you're going, it's like, oh gosh, it's not what I thought. It's not what I thought, right? So I thought this was like a proper food court, but it's actually a food court for the people that work here or something, or they're shopping here. And it's I don't want to jump a fate. That food has been sitting there for I don't know how many hours. No. And you don't know what they put in the food. I'm not saying it's not good. It's usually very good food. It tastes so yummy. But yo, MSG. MSG makes me sick. I can't eat MSG. Asian people can eat MSG. And it's not like their food is not good. I just can't eat it. Just it makes me really sick. So be conscious of what you can and cannot have in your body and what is good and what is not good for you. Like I understand MSG. If I just have a little bit of Chinese food that is not organic, that is not prepared without MSG food, MSG spice. Oh my God, I am sick for days, like a bent over sick. Sometimes I even have to go to the hospital. That's how bad it is. So the safest is to stick to fruits. Just get some fruits. You know, Steve Jobs was a fruitarian. Fruitarian. And I was talking to one of my friends, and she was like, "Yeah, but he died early." And I said, "No, but he finished his mission. After he completed his mission, he checked out. It's not that bad. He just checked out. It's just what it is, you know." I don't want to take on other people's karmas, other people's dramas, other people's energies. That's why I don't want to be Steve Jobs. I am Tembi Buthelezi. I am Queen Bringer of Good Hope. I am not Mother Teresa. I am Queen Bringer of Good Hope. I can just look at these examples of what we can be in this world and the impact and the change we can make by looking at these people that have like done some great things. And it doesn't matter what we say about these people, you know, maybe they weren't really nice people. Maybe they had 3 masks or 20 masks, but who cares? They did some good work on planet Earth. Let's not judge people. Okay, except the pedophiles and all of these crazies. But let's not judge people based. Ah, thank you. Shishie, shishie. Let's not judge people based on all of the nastiness. Because I don't know Steve Jobs personally. A lot of people said he was a bit of an asshole. But like when I was talking to these people who said he was an awful person and blah 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 blah, I look at their lives. I'm like, oh my God, I would never want to have a life like yours. So I don't know. Steve Jobs made some pretty huge impacts in the world with the iPhone and the Mac, and I'm really enjoying using my Mac. So yeah, I'm not going to take you seriously because you haven't achieved anything that I want to achieve. I don't want to take on everything that Steve Jobs was and is as a human. No. But I can look and be inspired by the changes he made, the impact and the contribution before he checked out. Yeah, I'm having a fucking amazing ride on this thing. By the time I take my last breath, I'm gonna be like, damn, that was an insane ride. Why not? Why not? Why live a miserable life? I'm not signing up for that nonsense. You go ahead and sign up for your miserable life. I'm not. A miserable story? Oh, hell to the no. Look at my pretty nails. Yeah, I'm not. So just look at the good that other people have accomplished. Don't take everything on. Don't try and now be Steve Jobs wearing black things, black clothes, speaking with a very low voice because you want to be like Steve Jobs. Elizabeth Holmes was this, right? She even changed her voice. She changed herself, wear black clothes. just to be like Steve Jobs, that's some real dumb shit. You're a woman. Why are you wanting to be Steve Jobs? Be inspired by what he was able to create in Silicon Valley, but not just want to be Steve Jobs. Now, this is so bizarre. Who are these women? Who raised? Never mind who are these women. Who raised a woman like this? What kind of mother raises a woman who can destroy people's lives for money? Achi. Achi. This is all I can say. Achi. 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 So, yeah, I'm going to drink my juice. Pineapple juice with watermelon. And this is so beautiful. Yo, I'm so beautiful. Yo, the radiance of God through and as me. The radiance of the goddesses. Oh, not through and as me. Yo, are set through and as me. I'm just the radiance of beauty. God's grace, God's beauty through and as. Look at how beautiful I am. Yo, yo, mina ngimuhle. Angeke. Angeke uze ungibeke phansi, mina ngimuhle. Okay, let me move my juices. Mina ngimuhle. Yo, I am so beautiful. I am God's beauty radiating. I am God's intelligence. I am God's creativity. I am the universe's cosmic abundance just walking through this planet. Yay! I am so damn beautiful and so damn smart. Yo! When my feet touch, the earth is blessed. When my feet touch, the earth blesses me. Say this, continue to say this. I am my ancestors' highest prayers, heard, honored, answered. I am my ancestors' highest prayers, heard, honored, answered. Stick to this. It's a high enough vibration. Highest prayers, meaning you're not even going to your mom, your dad, your grandparents, your aunties who have passed away. You're going way back to the original intention of God consciousness, because your DNA is God consciousness. Okay. Your ancestry, God consciousness. Sometimes we can get hooked up. Like I've done the ancestral work where I went 100 ancestors back. That's wild. Most shamans say you go 30, 50, 70. I went 100. And I was just like, I need to get out of this. My ancestors are Zulu people. My ancestors are Xhosa people. My ancestors. Yes, that is an emulation of God consciousness. But my ancestry, truly, truly, meaning I am a child of the heavens. God consciousness, love consciousness, peace consciousness, joy consciousness, abundance consciousness, creativity is my ancestry. It is my ancestry. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm going to drink my juices. I'm going to head downstairs, take a cab, go to work, get on another cab, go to the airport, and be pushing. Thank you for joining me. See, get out there and walk. See the traffic, see the things, see how you cross the streets. But this is what I love. Your brain is always adapting, always adapting. You have to double think, double think, double think, double think. Oh my God, what's happening? Oh, I have to read this. I have to ask this person. I have to do this thing. Yeah, it's always moving. You're not stagnant. People are stagnant in the mind. That's why they can't think. And that's just so beautiful. Yo! Sabia. God's beauty, God's grace, God's creativity, God's intelligence as me. Yes, the divinity of life through and as me is just, it's just overflowing. You know, it is just overflowing. I'm just so amazing. So are you. You must say this to yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, "Yay! I'm so amazing. So amazing. Truly, I am this. So amazing." Say this to yourself all the time. Nobody can gaslight you. Nobody can scapegoat you. Nobody can tell lies about you that are not true to make themselves feel better because they have low self-esteem. They're insecure. They're inferior. They are losers. They are failures. I'm sorry. Being a failure is a choice. You choose to be a failure. You choose it. Stop choosing failure. Stop choosing gossip. Stop choosing lies. Stop choosing soap operas. Stop choosing all of these nasty things that we do on planet Earth. Stealing, manipulating. Stop choosing this. Choose something higher. Choose creativity. Choose love reign supreme. Choose abundance reign supreme. Choose divine right action. Choose intelligence, cosmic intelligence, because you can have intelligence, and this intelligence is like PhDs and stuff like this, and it's not gonna get you nowhere, bro. It don't get you nowhere, bro. It don't. You need, even if you've got these things, you've got to connect to this wisdom that you get from all of these schools to a higher intelligence. So this intelligence can direct the wisdom, the information you got from the schools, and then it works. Because if you don't connect it to the highest level, I am my ancestors' highest prayers, heard, honored, answered. That's why I don't, doesn't matter what country, I just put my feet down where my feet touch. The earth is blessed. And I just keep saying this as I'm walking. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Metta. May I be happy. People help me all the time. People are like, hey, I want to talk to you. They're helping me all of the time, telling me what to do. This is how it works. I ain't hiding nothing from you. I'm showing you. I speak to people. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Mama, Sisi, Auntie. And I just keep walking. And people help me. And I get business and I do business. And I just keep walking, pray, walking. Collect my monies. Get on a plane. Get to the next country. Collect my monies. Do the job that I need to do. Get on a plane. Go to the next country. I'm an English teacher. If I can do this as an English teacher, what's wrong with these human beings with PhDs? Ring, don't wake. Ayasabenzi mo. Okay. May love you long time. May love you long time. I'm gonna drink my things and keep it pushing. I'll see you at the airport, okay? Bye, visionary.